Okay, question 4 is about factorization, but again, this is multiple choice question. You can just use an easier way by substituting the numbers. So first of all, you can just substitute x equal to 1 together with y equal to 1. You can try to use 0 as well. However, you may have the similar answers because when this is all 0, it will just give you a 0. So you may have the same numerical answers in your 4 choices. So try to use another number apart from 0. So when you substitute all of the 1 to be here, so now I have 1 plus 2 minus 4 minus 4. This will give you negative 5. So we try to substituting into the 4 answers as well. So now I have 1 plus 2 times 1 minus 2 plus 2. This is giving you 3, which is wrong. And for the second one, we have 1 plus 2 times 1 minus 2 minus 2, giving you negative 9, which is wrong as well. And for the third one, we have 1 minus 2 times 1 plus 2 plus 2, which is 5, and negative 5, which is kind of correct because this is the same. So let's see for part D, is this correct as well. So let's see, this is 1 minus 2 times 1 plus 2 minus 2, giving you negative 1. So the answer will be C. So if you want to learn how to use the factorization, I can teach you as well. So first of all, we need to group these two things together because both of them are the square numbers. So we can try to use the a plus b times a minus b equal to a squared minus b squared. So we group them together. So I have x squared minus 4y squared plus 2x minus 4y. So if you still remember my formula, this is going to be a squared minus b squared equal to a plus b times a minus b. Be careful, this b squared is actually the whole thing squared. But for this one, it's not the whole thing squared. So first of all, you need to change the 4y squared becomes 2y whole thing squared. And then plus 2x minus 4y. So now we can using the formula which is the a squared minus b squared equal to a plus b times a minus b. So that this one we can write it as x plus 2y times x minus 2y. And further to that, we can group these two together and then we can take the 2 as the common factor. So we plus 2 and then what we left just x minus 2y. So now we can see this is two things, isn't it? Something plus something. And then we see, is there any common factor? You can see on the left hand side there's a x minus 2y. On the right hand side there's a x minus 2y as well. So we take it out, so x minus 2y. After you take out a common factor, you give me a bracket. And then what we left just x plus 2y plus 2. So the answer should be C. So this two-way actually can give you the same similar answer, but actually using the substitution method, you just plot in some numbers in. It's actually much more quicker than just doing the algebra because the multiple choice, you may not have enough time to do it. So try to use this method first. And then this method can actually give you 100% correct. Okay?